Are you ready to pull your energy back from all the people, places, and things? My name is Kristen, and I coach entrepreneurs and executives back to inspired flow and confident resolution. Let's get started. Find yourself a comfortable place to sit, don't be driving, and allow your eyes to relax. So, a comfy place to sit, relaxing your eyes, maybe even closing them, whatever feels best to you. We're going to focus on our breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Shaking out the tension in your neck and shoulders, arms, hands. Letting the sounds of your environment fade into the background. Right now is your time. Settling in. Very good. Imagining with your next inhale that you're inhaling your energy back to you from all the people you've connected with, from all the places you've been, from all the projects that you've contributed to. So inhaling your energy back to you. With every inhale, pull your energy back home to you. It's not that you don't care. It's not that you don't still want to be involved. But right now, you want your energy to come back to you. It's for you. Inhaling and exhaling. So good. And as you fill up with more of you, you can begin imagining that with your exhale, you release the other back to the other. So often it's easy to get distracted and release all of who we are to everyone else, and then get cluttered with what everyone else wants us to be or who they think we are. This brings self back to self. Inhaling and then exhaling, releasing what's not us. We don't even need to know. We just get to trust that with every breath, we bring more of self back to self, pulling the energy out of where it is back home. And then exhaling, sending the other back to the other. Good. Inhaling and exhaling. You can continue this process for as long as feels right for you. If there's a particular person or project or thing that you've begun to feel particularly connected to, merged with, perhaps over-connected with, you can put them in your mind's eye in front of you, far, far in front of you, and continue inhaling your energy back from them and sending their energy back home. There we go. So continuing to inhale and exhale. Good job.